Hello, in this video I'll be showing you the quad mount quick release hardware and how it is installed easily and adjusted to meet wheelchair users' needs. Spex quad mount hardware offers 4 independent points of fixture to the wheelchair back post. Quad mount hardware is a multi-purpose back hardware solution. It is one of our most common hardware options that serves for many wheelchair users. The 4 attachment points enable you to position the mounts according to the needs of the user. For example, if we have a person that is in extreme tilt or load in the top of the back support, then we can position the top brackets as close to the top of the back shell to anchor and hold the back securely. Quad hardware has a quick release locking system that allows the back support to be removed easily and safely for transport or for transferring into another wheelchair. An important feature of the quad hardware is the locking pegs. These are the stainless steel pegs that are connected to the L brackets. The top ones have a round peg and the bottom ones have a straight peg. The purpose of this is so the back support is prevented from flipping out of the wheelchair when the locking levers are released. Always make sure that the straight pegs are positioned at the bottom, otherwise this feature won't work. I will now show you how to fit the mounts to the wheelchair back posts. Step 1. The quick release latch mounts should always be positioned in the upper position of the back support. The mounts that have the hook should be positioned at the bottom of the back support. Step 2. Loosen the bolts to allow you to easily remove the outer cane mount component. Step 3. Only one of the bolts needs to be removed. Now you can position the mount onto the back post. Note, always ensure that the top latch mounts are installed at the top and the locking lever is pointing down. Step 4. Fit the outer cane bracket component and fix in place with the second bolt. Step 5. Check for positioning and symmetry before tightening. To adjust the height of the brackets or back, simply loosen, slide up or down the back post and secure again. Step 6. Mount the L bracket into the vertical slot on the backrest shell. The straight pegs are at the bottom of the shell and the round pegs at the top. Step 7. Place the back shell into the wheelchair. We lock the top latch points into the lock-in system first. Like so. Step 8. Slide the bottom cane mounts up onto the pegs. Step 9. To adjust the height of the back shell, simply loosen, slide up or down the back post and secure again. Now that we have installed the hardware, we can adjust the angle and depth. The hardware offers 40mm of seat depth adjustment and 10 degrees of back support angle by adjusting the locking pegs on the L brackets. If you require more than this adjustment, this can be achieved with the extension kits. Step 1. Loosen the 4 locking pegs that attach to the L brackets. Step 2. Now the pegs can slide on the L brackets. Adjust the back angle according to the need required. Step 3. Simply secure in position when the optimal angle is achieved. Make sure the pegs are secured firm and they still engage into the locking hooks. For a greater angle, you can add an extension bracket to the top mounting brackets. This allows for an extra 10 degrees of adjustment, giving a total of 20 degrees tilt angle. Depth adjustment. For depth adjustment, we firstly loosen the pegs on the L brackets. Position the shell forwards or backwards as required to the appropriate seat depth, and secure into position. Further seat depth and tilt adjustment can be achieved with the extension kits. If you need any assistance with installing a back support onto a wheelchair, please contact your local dealer or visit spexseating.com and we would love to assist you. Thanks for watching.